What's up, everybody? Good morning. This is Josh from Log and Iron. We finally have a beautiful day here without any rain coming. So last week I showed a couple videos of the Beagios trusses and how we were getting those started. And here we've got the two 8x12 trusses that go on the front and the back of the building. And then we've got the rest of them we're starting today, or continue to work on today. So I've got 3 of the 6 half trusses assembled here inside. These go up against the walls just to give the same look in a smaller version. And then we've got 4 more 6x12 inside trusses that we're going to finish assembling today. So I'll get you some shots of those when we get them done. Have a good day.